my channel.
Lou, what are we actually doing today?
Let's get up there.
Lou, you're not going to show us what's actually in there then?
Oh yeah, I suppose so. What we've got for you today, we're going to be installing some 1M styled carbon fibre mirror covers.
I haven't even seen them yet myself.
They're the cream.
Fold it up, we gon' burn it down.
Alright, let's get them on. Gonna have to persevere a little bit with this because of, for some reason, even to this day, I still have no trim tools. Bit of a silly thing, I know, but we'll make it work. I figured out the best way. This one's going to come off a bit easier because I had a little bit of an incident with it, but we won't go into that. I'll just literally, if anyone wants to do this and doesn't know how to do this, normally just get a trim tool under the mirror and just pry the clips off. But in this case, where I don't have trim tools,
Manpower.
Manpower. I'm just literally gonna, this one I already know is gonna come off easy. But just be careful that you don't break any of the clips when you do it. And there we go.
And I can vouch that he hasn't even fiddled with this yet, so that come off a bit too easy there.
Yeah, that one did. I'm surprised it didn't fall off. Then what you want to do is get your new and approved carbon fibre mirror. And then there's, I don't know if you can see it, but there's 4 clips in there that we want to line up with these 4 clips inside the mirror. I'm hoping these fit, not gonna lie. Over here.
That is the sound of approval.
That is the sound of approval.
The click. The click.
Who's on there?
They are going to look sick.
Now we jump over to the other side. This one might be a bit more difficult because...
And you're going to love this, how this looks, because we've already seen the other one.
They look
sick.
They look special. Right, go for the same technique again.
Same sort of approach.
Same sort of approach. Being careful, obviously I don't want to break these just in case I ever need to put them back on. Because there's nothing worse than driving around with no mirror covers or a broken bits on your car. It's been a little more tricky. There we go. That wasn't too bad.
And who needs tools?
Who needs tools when you got guns like this?
Lou, don't you want to keep that one like that?
No. Not really. Same thing again.
Nice and simple.
Nice and simple.
I think that's the sound of approval again.
Double check, I don't want these falling off.
A lot of money.
Yeah. Oh, I believe that's all. They go very easily.
Very easily.
Very easy. I'm not complaining though. Really not.
I was expecting us to be here.
I was expecting that to be really difficult, but it's not. They look
Right.
nice though.
Should we
They
show
look
them how it
very
looks?
nice. Yeah.
Let's go. Are you happy with that?
They look nice. It's amazing, something so little can change the look of the car so much. And, so it's about
You're happy with them, aren't you?
Yeah, very, very. It's what it's about, personalising your car to how you want it. And while we're here, just
Oh yeah. No, move out the way. Yeah, little zoom in action on that.
We're just cold air intake.
Yeah, that's not there by the way.
Yeah.
Just, don't worry.
Forget about that.
Look, this one's got it. Come on, tell us what else you're doing to your car.
Nah, that's a secret. But if you want to know, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon and you get notified every time I upload so you don't miss any modifications that I do to my car.